I'm going to show you how to upgrade your mining rig by purchasing new tools. It's actually a simple process. Let's do it right now. Okay, so as you can see, I'm currently on my browser window on the home screen of Alien Worlds here. And I'm going to go ahead and click on my mining icon. And as you can see within my mining hub, I've got a really basic beginner's kit here. And what I want to do is not wait to find NFTs or new tools. I actually want to purchase one. Now, this is great if you have a little bit of a budget that you're able to work with, and you don't want to just basically be patient hoping to eventually earn enough Trillium to purchase these tools. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually go over to Atomic Hub, and you can find that here, wax.atomichub.io. Again, if you make sure wax is at the beginning, it'll take you to the Alien Worlds homepage. You can also click this down arrow over here and make sure you're clicked onto wax. Now, as you can see within the sales section here, all sorts of NFT tools are listed and are available for purchase. In fact, they're pretty cheap. You can see you can get a standard capacitor for just $1.17 worth of wax. Now, wax is the token you need to own in order to purchase these. Now, getting wax onto your wallet, make sure you're logged in over here with your wallet you're using for Alien Worlds. If you have some wax that you've traded Trillium for, it'll show up down here. Now, again, this is a beginner's account, and so what I did is I went and purchased a little bit of wax using a couple of different methods out there. And I'll let you do some research on that. We can make another video about it. But once you have wax in your account, it enables you to purchase all sorts of upgraded tools. So what I want to purchase today is actually a standard drill. Just going to type that in. It's going to upgrade here with the newest listings. And we can just look down here. It looks like the average listing price is about $11.50. So this is probably the most expensive beginner tool, again, compared to those standard capacitors, which are basically $1, or the shovels, which are like 10 cents. This is a little bit of investment into your mining rig. It looks like $11.20 is about the cheapest. And as you can see, it just dropped price there down to $10.29. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this up with the buy button. And as you can see, we've got the buy listing here. It's confirming a lot of the asset names and ID for the NFT. And then it's showing the price that we're going to be paying. And I'm going to go ahead and buy this for 46 wax. Okay, we've got our smart contract window that comes up. I'm just going to click on the I'm not a robot here and click approve. Okay, now what we can do is we can actually come up here and click on our wallet. And once we do that, we can actually click on our inventory and it will show us what we have. So let's scroll down a little bit here. And as you can see, this standard drill was just added into my inventory. So that is an NFT that I now have for standard drill, as well as my other NFTs that are associated with my Alien Worlds account. You can also see that my wax total dropped after that purchase. So this takes roughly between 30 seconds and a minute for it to populate into your Alien Worlds mining rig. In fact, what I'll do is I'll go over here. You can see here's my mining hub. I've found that it helps if you actually use the refresh button here. And then log in again. As you can see, it's repopulating all of our goodies here, including the tools. Okay, and we're back to our home screen. So back in our mining hub, we're now ready to equip our new tool here in this empty slot. So let me go ahead and click the plus button. And as you can see, our standard drill has now showed up in our equipment list. So I'm just going to click on this equip button. And now all three of our tools are equipped. Let's go back to our home screen. Let's go back to our mine button. Okay, and we've landed on our mining hub. So let's go ahead and try out this mine option with these tools. Our mining reward for the current kit that I have. Now, I actually have seen this all the way up to 0.1 with the same mining rig. So again, a lot of this is going to depend on where you're mining and the current rewards that are available. But hopefully that gives you a better idea of what's possible through a little bit of investment into the game by purchasing Wax. Hey, if this has helped, hit that thumbs up button. It just lets us know we're making decent videos, and subscribe because we're making a bunch more Alien Worlds tutorial videos, and those are going to be coming out really, really soon. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.